Good evening. I'm going to show how to use Rich Editor. So let me name this video an Rich Editor tutorial. I've already pasted some text. That's a poem about autumn. Okay, let me undo that change. So what we can do with the following text? We can put bullet points. We can insert numbers. It doesn't look good with a poem. We can put this text in the center, or we can align left or align right. So let it be in the center. We can change the font family. Let me choose Impact. And let's change the font size. Okay, that looks good. We can also change the font color. I would like it to be dark purple. Okay, it looks like that. So what else we can do? We can also add links if necessary. So let me see. I can put the link of my previous video from YouTube. Here's my link. I just highlight it, then put link, put a link here, and press insert. So here you can see a working link already. We can also add an emoticon, any of your choice. Let's add some heart. We can add a video. We can also attach some files. And here you can add some symbols if necessary out of these ones given here. You can also insert a table. You can choose the number of columns, rows, spacing. Everything you need is actually given here. Also, you have here an option to record an MP3, record your audio, record your video. You can draw some picture here. Yeah, you have here all the necessary tools for that. You can save your picture and insert it. And you can take a snapshot, you can take a picture. What else is important? That you can add a picture using, let's say, find or upload image. Let's click here. We can upload the picture from your Google Drive, from different server files, or you can just use Wikimedia. It's a poem about autumn, so let's search for something about autumn. All right. Okay, let's choose. Let's choose. Okay, I like this one. So you can select this file. All right, you can also change the size of the file or just resize it after you paste it. Let me choose like something like 300, 200, let it be. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks like that. Generally, we can change it. We can right click and then choose edit image, right? We can choose where we want to see it. Let it be at the top. Update. We can resize it. And we can generally move it on our own without anything. Okay. Let me see. So it will be like that. So at the top we see the picture. Then goes my heart. And then a poem. So that's basically it. And then you will have to post it to forum. Thank you for watching.